Let's be honest, so many women today are exhausted, not because of love, but because of chasing it. You call first, text first, check his social media, overanalyze every word he says, and constantly wonder what you did wrong. You wait for his message, rearrange your day just to be available for him, and deep down, you hope that maybe this time he'll choose you. But here's the truth most women learn the hard way: the more you chase a man, the less he values you. Men respect what they have to earn. The moment you start proving yourself, you shift the power away from you. You're no longer the prize, you've made him one. Detachment is not about playing games or pretending not to care. It's about learning to love from a place of peace instead of panic. It's knowing that you can care for a man deeply and still choose yourself first. It's about walking away from anything that threatens your self-worth, even when your heart doesn't want to. Men are naturally drawn to women who are emotionally independent, women who are comfortable in their own company and confident in their identity. When you master detachment, you stop chasing love and start attracting it. Because the woman who is calm, grounded, and emotionally stable stands out. She becomes unforgettable. You see, when you're constantly chasing a man, you're operating from fear, fear of rejection, fear of abandonment, fear that no one else will want you. But when you master detachment, you operate from love, love for yourself. You stop waiting for a man to choose you and start realizing that you are the one who gets to choose. Here's how it works. Detachment begins when you shift your focus inward. Instead of checking your phone for his text, check in with yourself. How do you feel today? What do you need? What can you do to make your own day beautiful? Take care of your mind, your body, and your spirit. Spend time with people who make you feel loved. Work on your goals, your dreams, your purpose. When your life is full, no man becomes the center of your happiness. And when you are not chasing, something powerful happens: men start chasing you. Because men are drawn to emotional peace. They can feel when a woman is secure within herself. They're attracted to women who give them space to miss them. You don't have to play hard to get, just be hard to forget. Detachment also means setting emotional boundaries. Don't beg for love, don't overgive, and don't explain your worth. A man who truly sees your value will never put you in a position to question it. Stop pouring into people who only take from you. Stop trying to fix or convince anyone to love you. Your absence will speak louder than any argument ever could. Remember, a man falling for you should feel like alignment, not exhaustion. The right man will bring calm to your life, not confusion. So when you feel yourself chasing, stop and breathe. Ask yourself, what am I afraid of losing, him, or myself? Because when you lose yourself in a relationship, you've already lost more than he ever could. Detachment doesn't mean you become cold or emotionless. It means you love with wisdom. You stay soft but not naive. You stay kind but not desperate. You stay open but not available to just anyone. When you master detachment, you radiate quiet strength, the kind that makes men respect, admire, and pursue you. And when a woman learns this art, the art of letting things flow, the art of walking away when she's not valued, she becomes magnetic. Men chase her, but more importantly, she never chases peace again. If this message spoke to you, subscribe for more videos on feminine confidence, emotional strength, and understanding men. Because the moment you stop chasing love, love begins to find you.